The Culinary Institute of Michigan, or CIM for the insiders, is where passion meets precision and creativity takes center stage. If you dream of a future in the culinary arts, baking and pastry, or food and beverage management, this is where your journey begins. Our award-winning faculty brings real-world experience to the classroom. Many have owned restaurants, worked in world-class establishments, and competed at the highest levels. Here you'll learn from instructors who become your best mentors and are committed to your success. At CIM, you don't just study food, you create it. From day one, you'll be immersed in hands-on course-specific learning, mastering foundational techniques, and developing the skills top employers demand. For even more hands-on experience, our students run an on-site restaurant called Courses that allows you the opportunity to cook, serve, and refine your craft in a real-world setting. Whether you're preparing gourmet entrees, creating your own signature drinks, or handcrafted pastries, you'll gain the confidence and expertise to thrive in the industry. Experience the excitement of putting your talents to the test by competing alongside fellow students and professional chefs. CIM students compete and consistently win medals in state and national culinary competitions, earning recognition and building their professional portfolios. Consider adding a study abroad option to further enhance your resume. Where do CIM graduates go? Everywhere. From fine dining restaurants and luxury hotels to private clubs, resorts, and even cruise ships, our alumni are making their mark across the globe. With 2 campuses in the state of Michigan, Muskegon and Port Huron, you'll study in our European-style open kitchens using modern equipment while enjoying everything these waterfront cities have to offer. At CIM, we don't just train chefs, we shape leaders. If you're ready to turn your passion into a career, your future starts here.